Inventory management is the core function of the application. Let's start by creating companies. Initially, app will add some demo companies itself of different types. You can make this companies inactive and create your own companies. Or just edit the details. Click on any companies to edit details. Or click Add button on the bottom to create a new company. Company type, name, codes are mandatory to save a new company. Companies can be created as main company, showrooms or store, godown, customer or dealers. If you don't have any codes, tick Auto-generate to create code by application. You can also add image for companies. Next, creating categories. App will add itself a single demo category. You can make this category inactive and create your own category or edit. Name and codes are mandatory to save a new category. If you don't have any codes for categories, tick Auto-generate to create code by application. You can also add image for categories. After creating company and category, you can add items. App will add itself a single demo item. You can use this item by edit details or make it inactive and add new items. Category, name and codes are mandatory to add new items. Item code can be generated automatically by enabling Auto-generate code. You can also add image for each items. After finishing these steps, let's start by adding stocks. Only main companies and godowns will be allowed for production, purchase and damaging stocks. Stock movements, sales or returning stocks will be allowed for all company types. Stocks can be added to companies by production or by purchase. Production and purchase. Select a main company or godown to add stocks. After selecting a company, items will be listed with current stocks. You can filter items by category. To add stocks, click on Add to Cart on specific item. Then it will reflect it in cart. Click on Cart. There it will show the added items. If you need to change the entry date, you can change on top. After checking added items, you can save. Select the company and check stock updated. All purchase and production entries will shown on history on top. You can also filter histories by date. Stocks get deducted from companies by sale, stock transfer or by damaging item. Stock transfer and sale. Select any companies from which stock moves from and to. Items will be listed with stocks of selected from company. You can also filter items by category. Add items to move, and click on Cart. You can change entry date and also mention any comments to add in your transaction. Check items in cart, then save. Select the company to which last stock moved, and check item stock deducted. Click on History to view transaction history. Click on a transaction to view details. Stock and sales return. Select companies from which stock return from and to. Items will be listed with current stock in company which is taking return stock. Add items and click Cart to confirm items. If any comments, mention and save. Check stock reflected in company. All return transaction will be listed in history on top. Click on a transaction to view details. Damaged stock. Damaged item will be deducted from company stocks. Select company of type, main company, or go down to mark damaged stocks. If items damaged in any showrooms, stores or dealers or customer must move to main company or go down, by stock return, sales return, or by stock transfer to make the stock damaged. Only main companies and go downs can move item to damage. Select a company, then the items will be listed with current stock. Add damage items to cart, click Cart to confirm. And save. You can check item stocks reflected in company. Damaged stock entries will be shown on history on top. Dashboard. Showing total categories and items added. Total stock of all items, total stock in different companies. Click company to view stock in different categories. Click more to view stock of all items in a category. Stock compare. Showing all existing categories with total stocks in all companies. Selecting a category will show sum of stocks of items in all companies. Click to view how many stocks existing for the selected items in different companies. Export to Excel. Click Export to Excel button to export all data to Excel. Excel will be saved to app directory mentioned here. Exported Excel will contain all categories, items, companies and stocks of different items in all companies in different sheets. Backup and restore. Inventory Bot is an offline application, so you must take backup regularly. If you are intending to uninstall application and plan to use this data in future, you must back up your data before uninstall or you will lose all data. Restore options are here for you to restore backup data. Before restore, check your backup file existing on the path mentioned above. Backup doesn't include images. So, please keep your image safe in your app directory even if you uninstall the application. Thank you for listening. We would love to receive your comments and feedback.